Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You should start by confirming you are signed into the Google account that tracks the shorts you want to remove. Open the YouTube app or visit YouTube. And navigate to Library then History. This brings up your watch record. Once done, use the available filter or the search box inside History to narrow entries to shorts so you don't remove unrelated videos. This targeted approach saves time and prevents accidental deletion of full-length watch history. Now, focus on selecting the shorts you identified. Tap the three-dot menu next to each short or use the checkbox selection mode to mark several items. This lets you remove entries precisely. After selecting, pick Remove from Watch History so YouTube stops using those views for recommendations. If you have many, use Multi-Select or select all options when offered, and proceed in batches to avoid accidental full history clearing. Doing it this way keeps recommendations cleaner while preserving other watch data. Finish by refreshing your history and scanning your home recommendations to confirm those shorts are gone. That immediate check verifies success. If deletions don't appear, clear the app cache or sign out and sign back in, because syncing delays or cache can hide changes. Make sure to pause watch history or adjust your short viewing habits if you want to avoid future logging. If problems persist, wait a few minutes for server sync and retry the removal steps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.